So here we go, here we go. Now, it's not ever the sexiest looking landing page, but this platform is very robust. It does the job. So we have the Black Friday Cyber Monday bundle. So it's a mini summit. Let me give you a quick run through of what's included. So we've got the Fearless Public Speaking series. So I've got the quick start session there. We've got the chakra balance and healing. It's part 1, so it's a 10-part series, but you get part 1, the root chakra survival, because what I've done is chosen something that's going to be good for your physical health, your spiritual health, your emotional health, your business, your productivity, spirituality. So I'm sort of going around the mind, body, spirit wheel of life. So we've got that's the chakra balance there. So part 1, the root chakra, which is about survival, safety, etc. We've got the block therapy pain release experiential webinar. So that's an overview and introduction and taking you through a series of the block therapy exercises. So you just need the rolled up towel for that. Block therapy is, oh my God, absolutely amazing for the physical body. So if you haven't yet checked it out, what will it be? It'll be Marilyn Devon. It's on my main website, TranceFormationstM.com/block therapy. And if you go to the main website, scroll down left-hand side, you will see a button where you can actually do the free 9-day sampler program. Now, it's not free. It's normally $47. They sometimes do a bit of a deal on it. But for my subscribers, it's actually free, so you can get that from the main website. So you'll get that webinar there. We've got the Huna and Ho'oponopono experiential web workshop. So you'll get part 1, so it's a half-day workshop. You'll get the Magic and Gratitude workshop. Again, it's part 1, so it's the first half day of that. You'll get the Future Life Progression Ultimate Best Version of and Best Future. Amazing process, even if I do say so myself. And some of you know the creator of FLP, the wonderful Anne Jersh. So definitely check that one out. I've also chosen from the Raising the Money Vibration series, that's a 10-part series. So I've gone with part 2, which is about cutting ancestral ties and looking at your money genealogy, because oftentimes people have a lot of patterns that come from that. For the journey of transformation, I've gone for part 1 because it's the limiting belief buster. So we do a past life regression. So if you know you've been held back from stuff in the past, these two would be an absolutely brilliant combo, actually. If you want a little bit of a taster of the more esoteric, what I've included as well is the Tarot and Huna Big Clearing Call that I ran last month. So I did a readings for quarter 4, final quarter of this year. So what it will be, even though I'm not doing individual readings for you, I am sure you will get some food for thought and some inspiration from listening to the readings of other people. And as I do the Huna clearings for each person, you can of course bask in the wonderful energy of that. And then I've included the full 1-day Banish Procrastination Workshop. So if you have a tendency to put things off, leave it to the last minute, my suggestion is when you log in, maybe do the Banish Procrastination Workshop first, and then from there choose whatever else you want to do. So I'm just getting the page set up at the moment. Those of you on my e-newsletter list, you'll get first dibs at this. So you'll get an extra day in terms of the access before I launch it with the public. What I'll do, because it's always quite a mouthful, this URL. So what I will do is I'll add it to my main website, TranceFormationstM.com. That's www.trance, as in hypnotic trance, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM as in trademark, so TranceFormationstM.com. When you land on the site, there's a red What's New button, top right. Click that, a panel will slide out, and then I'll add, either this is the landing page or maybe these images here as the landing page, and then underneath the image will be a link where you can click and it will take you through to the summit. Also, while you're on the page, if you're not on my e-newsletter list and you wanted first access, so that's a place I go when I'm looking for volunteers. If I'm putting together new stuff and I want people to test it out, then you get to test stuff normally for free or at almost no cost. It's also the place where I'll do advanced notification. Oftentimes my e-newsletter list will get different pricing to the prices that I put out in the public. You'll get a coupon code. and you'll get advanced notification for something like this. You get some extra time to go through these workshops, because these are for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So I'll launch tomorrow for the e-newsletter list, and then 24 hours later for the public. So you'll have less time if you're in the general public. So when you're on the TranceFormationSTM.com website, look on the left hand side, top left, you'll see a button where you can go in and sign up for my MailChimp e-newsletter. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll also see the button that you can click for the free sampler program for the block therapy. And if you know anyone who could benefit from any of these workshops, then please feel free to share the details with them. That would be absolutely amazing. This is available for a limited time. So yes, enjoy. Maybe have a think about now which ones you're going to do and in which order while it's available. And so this is for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So this will end Monday night / Tuesday, depending on your time zone. So I shall leave it there. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And thank you for sharing. Very much appreciated. Enjoy the programs. Hope you have fun. I'm pretty sure there'll be something in there to catch your attention. So yeah, enjoy. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach, over and out. And yeah, I'll see you inside. And these are all video webinar workshops. So once you've purchased the bundle, you've logged in, just press play and the information is there at your fingertips. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you later.